Looking to be in a brand new home in the exclusive community of Coral Ridge here in Nocatee? Well, welcome to my newest listing, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bath, oversized lot. Let's check it out. I hope you enjoyed this tour of this oversized home in an oversized lot here in Coral Ridge. If you're trying to get in before the 2025 school year, this is a perfect opportunity for a newer home, over 4,000 square feet. All my information will be in the description below. You can text me, call me, email me for your private showing, and then I will have a couple of videos following regarding a community overview of Coral Ridge, as well as a 10-minute overview of Nocatee. I'll see you there.